Okay guys, gawa naman nga tayo ng contents pang takot sa bata. Mananakot tayo. Ito. Yan.
Nakakatakot naman yan, Uncle. Sigurado yari yan. Okay.
A few moments later.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Oh, hell no!
Oh shit! Oh shit! No, 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 no. No, no.